Welcome. I'm Jessica Tangy, the librarian at Abbott Elementary School. Prior to serving as librarian, I was a classroom teacher for 13 years. I know how important it is to get kids excited about reading and help them discover new ideas that spark their curiosity. Did you know that last week we had an average of 324 visitors daily that checked out a total of over 1,300 books? Almost 100 students accessed information from an online database and received support as they developed the research skills needed to find accurate and credible information. 36 lessons were presented that engaged students in literacy and inspired them to take home books. These are just a few of the services offered by the library and available to all students every day. Our school library is more than just a room of books. Libraries help bring people and communities together. Did you know that our school library holds multiple community engagement nights and a campus fundraiser for new campus materials each year? Our library is a safe place for students to gather together, a place to learn about new topics and explore the constant changing world. It's a place where students can seek help to find information, locate resources, or sit and discover a new book. The next time you have a few minutes, come stop by the Abbott Library. Learn something new with us.